Are you struggling with dark spots, dull skin, or rough hands and feet? Don't worry, I'll show you the ultimate glow-up routine, a simple facial, manicure, and pedicure you can do at home for radiant skin and salon-perfect nails. Stay tuned. Want crystal clear, soft, and smooth baby-like skin? Follow these steps. Start your facial care. Cream for Korean glass. So take 100 grams of rice in a bowl and add enough water to cover it. Soak the rice for 2 hours. Take a clean bowl and add 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons rice water, 1 tablespoon glycerin, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 vitamin E capsules. Mix well until all ingredients are fully blended into a smooth, serum-like consistency. Store in a small container. How to use. Wet your face with a cotton pad soaked in lukewarm water. Apply the prepared paste evenly on your whole face. Leave it on for 20 minutes. Pro tip: for best results, apply 2 to 3 times a week for smooth, baby-soft skin. Benefits of ingredients: aloe vera gel soothes and hydrates skin, rice water brightens and tightens, glycerin locks in moisture, olive oil deep nourishment and anti-aging, vitamin E capsules repairs and enhances glow. Manicure for bright and soft hands. Take lukewarm water in a bowl. Add 3 spoons of shampoo and 1 spoon of salt. Whisk to create foam and soak your hands for 10 to 15 minutes. Pat dry with a soft towel. Mix 1 tablespoon lentil flour with 1 tablespoon honey. Gently scrub your hands for 5 minutes to remove dead skin. Mix 1 tablespoon rice flour, 1 tablespoon raw milk, and a pinch of turmeric. Apply this brightening pack all over your hands. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then wash off. Apply a good hand moisturizer to lock in hydration. Enjoy soft, bright, and nourished hands. Pedicure for soft and bright feet. Take some toothpaste, add 1 tablespoon coffee, great for exfoliation. Add 1 tablespoon baking soda, squeeze fresh lemon juice, and mix everything properly. Apply the mixture all over your feet and heels. Gently scrub for 5 to 7 minutes, focusing on rough areas. Apply coconut oil, Vaseline, or a rich foot cream. Wear socks overnight for ultra-soft feet. Say hello to smooth, bright, and crack-free feet. Bonus nail care tips. Use a base coat before applying nail polish. A base coat protects your nails from staining and strengthens them, making your manicure last longer. Avoid biting your nails. Use cuticle oil or hand cream to keep your nails and cuticles soft and prevent peeling or cracking. Consistency is key. Follow these tips regularly to maintain healthy, strong, and beautiful nails. Because a perfect lip design starts with proper care. Let's get started. Exfoliate for soft, healthy lips. What you'll need: take 1 tablespoon Vaseline, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon honey, then add a pinch of turmeric powder. Mix everything well to create a smooth, grainy paste. Take a small amount of the scrub and gently rub it onto your lips in circular motions, then wait to dry wipe with a damp cloth. Follow up with a moisturizing lip balm for extra softness. It removes dead skin, leaving your lips soft, plump, and naturally glowing.